Hi everyone. I just wanted to give you a sample of my own LinkedIn page, just in case some of you are struggling with this and how you think it might be useful to you. Sometimes it doesn't seem as useful until after you've had it for a while and you actually have feeds from people that you've been following. So first of all, here you can see this is who I am, this is where I work. Um, this is not current. I'm sure I've had probably hundreds of people view my profile. Maybe it deletes after 10. I don't know. 169 connections doesn't seem like a lot because I just choose not to be connected to everybody in the world, just to those that I think could be beneficial to my life in some way. So the first thing that you'll see here is that I have a feed from Shai Rashaf, who is the founder and president of University of the People, a free online yeah, yes, tuition-free online university. It's global, and I happen to be privileged to be a volunteer online mentor or coach for the university for some time. Okay, then we go down and you can see that I'm following Ryan Pena, who has some very interesting things to say about social media, and that's something that we get into a lot in this degree. And then you can see where I don't choose to just have everything remain on my screen. And so I'll show you in the next one, even though I wouldn't usually hide something from University of Illinois because that was my previous employer and I spent a lot of good years there and I still follow what's going on there. But if I didn't want to have this one on my screen anymore, I would just hide this post. Okay, and then as we go down, there is a wonderful lady that runs the Quality Matters organization, and she had me come and present for them in Baltimore once, and I still really appreciate their evaluation rubrics and just like to see what's going on with them. And here's a guy that's really fun. So I would click into something like this and say, "Whoa, what does he have to say about e-learning being better?" And so in this screencast, it's taking it off the page. I'm going to have to put it back on just to show you that you can click into some of these things and start looking at them in depth. Okay. And then sometimes they'll have some really interesting job postings here, which is really what LinkedIn started out to be, is a professional networking site, and still is. Okay, I'm going to just stop there. Oh, here's Ashford, unless we can't stop without looking at the Ashford feed for just a second. And this is interesting. What's next? 6 tips for making the transition to life after Ashford. Seems to be very appropriate for you all right now. Okay, I'm going to close this now, and just to let you know that it is possible to get some really good information over the LinkedIn at the LinkedIn social media site. So I hope that you've enjoyed